Hi, I'm Hank with Clear Touch, and we're here today to take a look at a brand new product, the Collar Microphone Kit. This is an in-room amplification system designed to work with the 6000 A+ series. Cool, so let's go ahead and open up the box here. Looks like we've got some documentation. And then it comes with two microphones here. These are kind of the whole heart of the system itself that's going to allow you to amplify your voice. So we'll set those aside and get back to those later. It also is going to come with a handheld mic adapter along with a collar microphone adapter. So with both of these, it looks like it has a nice little USB-C port that you can just clip the microphone right into on both of those. And we're also going to have our receiver that's going to plug right into the A+ panel. Let's see, we got anything else in here? Nice. Looks like another little box here underneath the foam padding. Open that up. So this is going to have your USB-C charge cables. Sweet. So we've got two of those for each of the microphones, along with an audio adapter cable to go with the receiver. So we'll move that out of the way here. Let's take a look at how these microphones work. So as I said, this receiver is going to get plugged right into the A+ panel and is what allows the microphones to speak to it. And then we've got the microphones and the adapters. So right now I'm going to plug in those microphones into the adapters so you can see how easy it is and how functional that is to work. So just stick that in right there, and then now it becomes a great handheld microphone, great to pass around in the class for student use, or your teachers may prefer to hold it. Having both of these systems just adds a lot of flexibility to what you're going to be doing. So I'll clip this on as well to the collar microphone. Clips on super easy, nice and secure, and I'll just slip that around my neck here, and it picks up any audio hands-free, so really easy to be in front of the panel and teaching while wearing this. The really cool thing is both of the microphones also have these lapel clips on the back, so if a teacher prefers, just as simple as clipping it there or to a collar if they're wearing a blouse or something. Super easy, really cool to use, and very functional. And with the new speakers in the A+ panel, you really get some full in-room amplification with this device.